You're at work and you need a little more focusing, or you may feel a little bit stressed. What do? Well, I'm here to help you. Hi, I'm Tasha, your workplace wellness coach, and I'm here to offer you a breathing exercise that will allow you to release stress and get yourself refocused to complete your work day. Now, today we are going to be doing a counting breath. With the counting, it will allow you to really just relax and to focus on you and get you settled and release all the tension that you may have. So you can find yourself a nice seated position, or of course you're at work, so you're already sitting down at your desk, and sit up straight with a happy spine. And essentially what I'm going to do is count for you. As you're breathing, you're going to breathe in for 10 seconds. I'm going to mentally count 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 10. And then when you're exhaling, you're going to exhale for 10 seconds. So this time you'll be counting backwards. So that's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, all the way back to 1 as you're exhaling. And remember, this is just to relax you and to get you to focus on your well-being and to release all the tension. So you're going to feel your body start to relax as you're repeating this breathing exercise. Also, I just want to let you know, if breathing in and breathing out for 10 seconds may feel a little bit long for you, that is perfectly fine. You can always reduce these counts to the point where it feels comfortable and beneficial for you. So if that is you're breathing in for 4 seconds or breathing out for 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, whatever feels perfect for you, and whatever that gets you to relax and release without feeling so forceful on your body, choose that number that's best for you. So let's begin. Let's breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to do it with you, but I'm not going to be counting. I'm going to count mentally, and we're going to do this together. All right, so let's breathe in. And let's breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. I hope that made you feel a little relaxed and a lot more at ease. Please let me know, how did this breathing exercise help you in the comments? And again, if you want me to bring my Yoga Wellness at Work program to your workplace, let me know in the comments as well.